As for our house, we bought it after several years of hard work in Shenzhen. After paying the down payment, we spent more than 200,000 yuan for hard decoration. In addition to the kitchen and bathroom, we also spent more than 10,000 yuan for flooring. In order to find a suitable method for cleaning the floor, I really bought a lot of sweeping and mopping robots. I won't talk about the sweeping and mopping effect of this Cloud Economy 38. The cleaning power of the sweeping and mopping robots on the market is good. But as for the floor, don't touch too much water. It's best to sweep the floor every day. If you mop the floor, you have to be careful not to get too wet occasionally. If this kind of partial wetness occurs, you can only mop it but not sweep it. I found that J3 it is really suitable for me because it can automatically switch modules and there are various cleaning modes to choose from. No matter how the cleaning environment at home changes, when only sweeping but not mopping, its mop is always lifted, which prevents the floor from getting too much water. If there is water locally, choose to only drag and not sweep while brushing and not working, so as to prevent Shen Hexi from entering the water. If there is a lot of dust or hair in the house and wants to carry the first and second generations of the support in advance, he needs to change the module manually. Now J3 can automatically sweep first and then mop, and then return to the base station after sweeping the floor to automatically wash the rag and mop. It must be used for deep cleaning, but I use it most in daily life because it can automatically plan the cleaning plan of the room according to the degree of dirtiness of the washing cloth. It may be enough to sweep and mop the place that is not very dirty. There is no need to waste too much water, but if it is a dirty place, it will automatically clean it repeatedly until the place is clean. At this time, the mop is already very dirty, and most sweeping and mopping robots will start to go home to wash the mop.